Cathie Wood's ARK Invest takes 11.5% stake in Solana Treasury firm Solmate Infrastructure, SLMT. ARK Invest has reportedly taken 11.5% Solmate, SLMT stake, while the company said it bought $50 million discounted SOL from Solana Foundation. Solmate Infrastructure, Nasdaq, SLMT, disclosed in a press release issued earlier today that it had purchased $50 million of SOL directly from the Solana Foundation at a 15% discount to market. The company said the tokens will be used to power bare metal validators in Abu Dhabi, UAE as part of the Foundation's Solana By Design program, and that the Foundation negotiated the right to nominate up to 2 directors to Solmate's board. Solmate described the timing as a purchase at market lows, during a major liquidation, and framed the move as aligning its treasury with its infrastructure build-out. The press release also noted that ARK Invest held roughly 11.5% of Solmate as of September 30, 2025, citing a Schedule 13G filing. Solmate said ARK previously bought 6.5 million shares in an oversubscribed PIPE and disclosed subsequent purchases totaling about 780,000 shares, which the company characterized as continued conviction in its strategy. Solmate is the rebranded, Solana-focused successor to Nasdaq-listed Brera Holdings, which is shifting from a multi-club football strategy to a digital asset treasury and infrastructure business centered on Solana. Chief Executive Marco Santori said the firm bought the dip and called Solmate brand new Solana infrastructure for the UAE. He argued digital asset treasuries are capital accumulation machines and said the UAE is the capital of capital, positioning Abu Dhabi as a base for validator performance. Solmate said it will partner with Rockaway X on staking infrastructure and plans to stand up bare metal validators in Abu Dhabi, with more initiatives to follow. The analysis window runs from October 13, 2025, 11 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated to October 14, 2025, 10 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. Below are the highlights. As of October 14, 2025, 15:31 Universal Time Coordinated, SOL was $197.06, up 0.22% over 24 hours. Today's session printed a high at $211.31 and a low at $192.24. The early rejection near $211 was followed by a drift lower and stabilization around $196 to $198. In practical terms, $195 is the near-term pivot for buyers. Holding above that level leaves room to probe $200 and, if reclaimed on UTC closes, $205 to $206 where sellers were active in the research window. A decisive push through $206 on UTC closes would put $209 to $211 back in view. On the downside, a break below $195 would likely invite a check of $193 to $194. If that area gives way, the late window cushion around $191 becomes the next reference. Disclaimer. Parts of this article were generated with the assistance from AI tools and reviewed by our editorial team to ensure accuracy and adherence to our standards. For more information, see CoinDesk's full AI policy. According to CoinDesk Research's technical analysis data model, over that span, SOL traded between $191.42 and $209.45, roughly a 9% swing. Price advanced from about $192.79 and sliced through the $200.62 and $205.64 areas on heavier than usual trading. Then momentum faded after midnight UTC on October 14th, with a slide from roughly $206.34 into the $193 to $194 area, where buyers reappeared in the final hour, 9:41 to 10:40 Universal Time Coordinated on October 14th. SOL bounced from $196.20 but couldn't sustain the move, dipping to $191.46 at 10:35 Universal Time Coordinated, before settling around $192.43 by 10:40 Universal Time Coordinated. Taken together, the tape shows support forming near $193 to $194 with a deeper cushion around $191, and supply showing up near $205 to $206 and again closer to $209 to $211. Holding above the mid-$190s keeps the door open for a retest of $200 and then $205 to $206. Losing $193 would put $191 back in play.